Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download your Equifax credit report in PDF format. So let's get started. First, log in to your Equifax account. Next, click on Credit Report. Select Run a free report. Provide all the required details to access your credit report. Choose the type of report you want, either full credit report or summary report. Once ready, go to the Download tab and click the link to download your report as a PDF. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded your Equifax credit report. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.